Hey guys, recently I grabbed my hand on Revera newly launched 4 face washes. Let me show you the first one, which is Revera Strawberry with berberry and vitamin E. It's a gentle and glowing skin face wash. Its highly nutritious strawberry face wash fights cell-damaging free radicals, dry skin dullness, and skin impurities. It's deeply cleans and help your skin stay youthful and healthy. The second one is Revera Lemon with gooseberry and vitamin E. We all know vitamin E is really good for our skin. It's enriched with the goodness of vitamin C, and gooseberry helps in deep cleansing of skin and keep you fresh and glowing all the time. It has exfoliating effect which remove excess oil and dirt. Third one is Revera Naturals Charcoal with sugar cane extract and vitamin E. This face wash wipe out dirt, impurity, toxin caused by population and gives you a flawless look. Also, vitamin E has a multiple benefit and contain a very high dose of antioxidant which help nourishing your skin. The fourth and last one is Revera Blueberry with honey and vitamin E. It's a skin revitalizing face wash. It's a help to your skin with the goodness of a blueberry to get rid of fine lines, wrinkle, and de-tanning. This face wash will give all day long freshness. Revera natural face washes are 0% paraben silicon sulfate. Revera natural face washes is a 0% use paraben silicon sulfate. It's good for all type of skin and easy to use. These face washes are really very good and it's a unisex, so everyone can use it. It's really good for your skin. Hope this video is helpful for you. Then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks and stay tuned.